Okay guys, so I was exploring, doing a little role play for fun on Star Stable, and then I decided to come out here to the edge, and I was gonna almost jump down just for the heck of it, but then I seen this. Look at that, doesn't that look like an ocean? So I decided to go in photo mode and zoom. Look, over here guys, that looks like an ocean, right? So I thought, where could this be? And then I decided to look at the map. And look where we are. We're right out here. And this is Old Kings Road. So if you think about it, a lot of people would say this is DeVille's Gap, but look, where's DeVille's Gap? But DeVille's Gap somewhere over here. Right here. Pretty sure. That's where sorry for that, guys. That's where DeVille's Gap is. But this looks like there's an ocean by it. So, yes, we are in the secret place for the Keepers of 18. So if you don't want to see any spoilers, because I'm getting ready to go to we're pretty close to do it, then don't watch this video. But then I decided to do a little wee trick. Of course, when I fall all the way down there, I'm gonna be sent back to my stable. So I'm basically gonna. Sorry for that, guys. I'm kind of sick. So I'm basically gonna do the same trick I did for Pandoria. If you guys haven't seen my latest video. So this is the view we get from this. And yes, I am aware that I might be banned for doing this. But I hope not, because I'm just looking. Look, there's like the side over there. There. See, guys? That's as far as I can get down. I can't get all the way down there. But anyways, that's something I want to show you. So I also want to show you another thing. So if you guys want to come along with me, you're feel free to. But I'm going, I'm lagging is what I'm doing. 1 second, guys, let me check my battery. Okay, 37 minutes, so that should be okay. So we need to go to Charlie. And yes, I'm paying the star coins because I don't have no challenge. I'm gonna work on that. So I'm gonna get there real quick, and I'm gonna show you it, and then yeah, I'm gonna go through my wardrobe and sell some stuff that I'm never gonna use. Okay, guys. So what you wanna do is you wanna go this way. Sorry, guys. With all the lag I'm experiencing, I'm getting turned around. So you need to go up the stairs. And you might recognize where we're going, and you might not. But if you do, credits to you. I am super laggy, guys. Sorry for the lag. So me and my friends in the club, The Flowers, we would do this for fun. Okay, guys, 1 second. Okay, guys, so once you jump from there, you're here. You're pretty much right by Devil's Gap, whatever you want to call it. So up here's Devil's Gap. I got really mixed around because of the lag, but let's go this way. Okay guys, so we need to get up here. I don't really like this glitch because it's just boring, but it's actually really cool if you want to take some cool pictures. Okay, so what the heck just happened? Anyways, if you're aware, up there, it's a build gap. So if you want to get up, if you can figure out a way to get up here, that's what you get. But anyways, that's it for today. Let me try to get in a solid spot. Say goodbye. No. I'm not touching the keys. And let me slow it down. Oh my god, this is so annoying. Okay. Hey guys, so bye.